The original video called this CPR. Obviously, the bird hit the window, was knocked unconscious, it's in a coma, it needs respiratory assist only. Just like a boxer, when he gets knocked out in the ring, they give him smelling salts. Don't be pushing on their chest like millions of people have been taught to give people who are still breathing. That bird's breathing, but barely. There's hundreds of causes of breathing emergency. They need air only. It's called first aid. Out of hospital cardiac arrest is a very rare thing compared to respiratory emergencies. The signs are totally different. They've taught millions of people to give chest compressions to people who are alive. That's mass murder, and the morgue's full of people that shouldn't be there. There you go, and fly away. Ontario Ministry of Health taught this to the students and teachers. Those Moss Park overdose prevention site, teaching how to save anybody with any of the hundreds of causes of breathing emergency.